Throughout my 25 years of being a designer and entrepreneur, I have witnessed many really strong reactions from people when it comes to their beliefs about their own creativity. Many believe that the creative gene just wasn't something that they were born with. And I really get it. I know this belief. Most of my own childhood was spent believing that I wasn't the artist in the family. I wasn't by any means the star student in the art class. In fact, in the 8th grade, I had a D- at one point. It wasn't until my late teens that I had an artist say to me, "You know, Becky, I wasn't born either knowing how to draw. Just the same as I didn't know how to eat, walk, or talk. It is something that I was just really passionate about and just kept showing up and practicing." There are many ways to express creativity. Making jewelry is one of them, but it is a learned skill. It is a skill that takes practice, just like cooking, gardening, or sewing. It's super easy to throw up your hands and say, "I am not good at this." And the truth of the matter is, you might not be at first. Let go of getting it perfect. Just focus on being 1% better with each project.